Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, Miss Ebony V. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm here to do a quick update on this crochet hairstyle since I was unable to upload my installation video. It's a long, traumatic story, y'all. So I was on vacation in Mexico. My phone fell in the pool. Phone just stopped working after I had already recorded and edited. Video gone. So video's gone. So at least I wanted to come back and do an update on this crochet hair. I am now at 3 weeks with this hair, so I just wanted to come on and let you see how it's looking, how it's maintaining, so that it will give you a better idea of if it's hair you would like to invest in. So this hair did come from Pure Supply, Pure Beauty Supply Co. on Instagram, company, Pure Beauty Supply Company, but it's Pure Beauty Supply Co. on Instagram. And this is their Malaysian Curl. And I think the woman that does this, I think it's iam.nubian. If that's it, I'll be sure to make sure it's correct down below. So if you want to see how this hair is standing 3 weeks later, stick around. Alright y'all, so let's go ahead and get into this video. Right now it's just up in a messy bun, so I'm just gonna take this out. Sometimes I just don't feel like, having it on my neck and, really dealing with it too much, so I leave it in a bun for like days at a time. So I'm gonna take it out so that you can see its current state, which is really not that bad in my opinion. I'm actually going to take this out tomorrow because it's keeping me from doing my hair reviews. It was great for vacation, but it got to go now. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of this ponytail, just so you can get the full effect of how it's looking. All right, so it's probably really matted right now, but what I typically do, I'm gonna find my part real quick, my primary part, which I think is right here. What I normally do to get rid of the matting is just kind of, ooh, I feel a lot of bobby pins. One sec. Go through the hair and just separate it with my hands as such, because it's really tangled and all together. But you can always, I feel like, anytime I have a crochet style, I can always bring it to life. If it's like on its last leg, I can bring it to life. You just gotta give it a little TLC, but it can come back to life, okay? And this is what I do, like, for any crochet style if I'm trying to revive it. And you're gonna see a lot of frizz because I'm seeing it already, but I'm gonna take care of that in a minute. I just want to try to get a little more of it separated first. This is so simple, y'all. I mean, like, real simple. And look, it's coming back to life already. So what is this little piece going on here? I probably cut this and not really sure why, but I use the tuck method. So next I start looking for areas of frizz, which I just saw. It's kind of hard to see where I am right now. So this is an area of frizz. I separate it from the rest of the hair and just cut it off. That's it. So I'm going through, I'm looking for areas of frizz and I'm cutting it out. Just that simple. This little piece right here, I'm gonna have to tuck and hide this thing so that it blends with the rest. So there's a lot of frizz back here. But I'm really only concerned if it's like super visible. If it's not, you know, I'm not gonna really mess with it too much. Okay, so hold on, y'all. I gotta lift this mirror up because I can't really see. So I'm really just trying to see if it's any noticeable frizz that I may be missing. Okay, it's a little bit. It's a little more up in here. And again, just separate it from the actual curled hair and cut it off. You don't need it. You do not have to stay attached to the frizz. These things always get stuck to my earrings. Okay, so, okay, it's coming back to life. It's coming back to life. What is this? Let's see, I'm just finding random frizz to cut out. Like this right here. Alright, okay, so I'm gonna stop messing with it for now. But I just wanted you to get an idea of how it could still look nice and poppin' 3 weeks later, y'all. This is 3 weeks in the making, okay? 3 weeks. And it still looks pretty good. Like, I can really go like a couple more weeks with this hair. Although I'm not, because I got some hair to review, so I'm going to take this out tomorrow and do something different. I have what I call hair commitment issues. I don't like to hold on to the same hairstyle for too long. That's why I haven't had braids in like probably like 2 years, maybe 1 or 2 years. I think it's about 2 years. But braids you have to keep for like ever, and I'd be like, I'm ready for something else. See, here are a lot of frizz right there. I just have hair commitment issues. I want to change it up. I don't want the same hair for too long. So that is my personal bias. All right, y'all. So here it is. 3 weeks later. This is your 3-week update. Again, I apologize for not being able to upload the original video of me installing this hair. It happens. It happens. I mean, I just can't believe I lost that video footage. It was good video footage. But here's your update. So you can make a conscious decision of whether or not you want to purchase this hair from Pure Beauty Supply Company on Instagram. I will leave their information here, so check it out. I do not remember how much I paid for it, but again, I will leave that in the description box as well. And I mean, I really love this hair. Like, this was some great vacation hair. Now, granted, you know, when you go on vacation, you're always thinking, you know, you want the big, wavy, curly type hair. But when you're over in different countries and it's super hot, child, this hair stayed up in a ponytail almost the entire time. Maybe the last day I wore it out like this. But it's just too hot for all this hair. It's just too hot when you're on vacation. So this is actually going to go back up into a ponytail. And what I normally do, you know, to camouflage these braids and everything, I just put like a little cute head wrap on or something. And call it a day. Okay. This is how I wore my hair most of the time on vacation. It kept me from being too hot. It was off my neck for the most part. And yeah, it just worked for me. It worked for me. It's hot. And trust and believe, I am a true summer baby. Like, I can't wait for the summer. It was a drag going through this winter season, y'all, for me. I cannot stand. I was trying so hard to run somewhere warm because I just don't do the cold. I am not here for the cold, so I'm just bobby pinning stuff down just to make it look nice and clean. And I'll be done here. See, I'll be done here momentarily. So again, I normally put a head wrap, you know, just around here, but I don't have one in front of me, so this is it. This is what we got, and this is cute. This hair is very full. I didn't even use all of the hair that was sent in the package that I purchased. This is not a sponsored video. I definitely purchased this hair with my own coins. But well worth the investment, I must say. This is my second time purchasing hair from Pure Beauty Supply and absolutely loving the hair. They really have a good selection of crochet hair. So, and it's super easy to install. I mean, the hair is so easy to work with, y'all. Super easy. So, I'm gonna stop babbling. I hope you liked this video. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching. And make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell so that you know the next time I upload a video. And go ahead and share it with your friends and family. Maybe someone may find this video helpful as well. You never know. Someone may be looking for a crochet hairstyle and want to know how long is the lifespan of the crochet hairstyle. So this one, I would actually give it 6 weeks, even though I'm only wearing it for 3. All right, y'all. So thanks again for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye, y'all.